Ngifuna sikubambe lokho bazalwane ukuthi uwena ovumele into, it does not mean yenziwe uwena. uNkulunkulu wavumela uSathane kodwa akusiye uNkulunkulu owathatha izinto zikaJobe. Ngicela sibe clear lapho. uSathane owabulala ingane kaJobe, uSathane owathatha into zikaJobe, uSathane owabulala izimvu zikaJobe. Akuyena uNkulunkulu. Even though God has allowed the devil, but God was not behind the actions. God did not cause the sufferings of Job. The cause was the person that was behind the sufferings of Job was the devil. So uma ethi uJobe uNkulunkulu phile, uNkulunkulu thathile, uJobe wayekade eperverted emqondweni wakhe ngeknowledge kaNkulunkulu. uJobe akamrecognizeanga uSathane kulento. uJobe wabona uNkulunkulu kukho konke, which is a wrong doctrine. Awukwazi ukubona uNkulunkulu kukho konke. Awukwazi ukubona uNkulunkulu kukho konke. uNkulunkulu uyapha but uSathane uyathatha. So uJobe kwakufuneka abone ukuthi the person that is behind my sufferings is the devil, so that azokwazi ukusukuma a rebuke uSathane. So angeke ukwazi ukumrebuke uSathane if ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu is responsible for good things and bad things.